IKEA just launched a brand new collection that's technically designed for dorm rooms, but honestly, I think these are one of the smartest small space products IKEA has released in a long time. So whether you're moving into a dorm, furnishing your first apartment, or just trying to fit more into less space, there is a lot to love here. And today we're going through all of it. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Man, and these are my two whippets, Zara and Mars, and we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're starting with my personal favorite piece from this whole collection, these stackable stools. I mean, just look at how cute these stools actually are. And little stools like this are exactly the kind of product IKEA does so well. These are simple, made out of solid birch, and you can use them for almost anything around your home. Obviously, they're extra seating, but I could also see these as bedside tables, plant stands, little coffee tables, or even pulled up next to a dining table. They also stack in two ways, which is so smart, and honestly, they feel like they're going to become one of those iconic IKEA products that people are still buying years from now. Next up is this gorgeous desk. I mean, just look at how beautiful this one looks. However, this desk slash dining table does not only look good, but it's actually foldable and so easy to move around. You can have a proper workspace when you need it, but when you're done studying or working, you can just simply fold it away and free up valuable floor space. I also love the soft green color with that pine tabletop. It feels so fresh and so minimal, but still has that Scandinavian IKEA look that makes it easy to style. This design is simple, functional, and exactly the kind of piece that proves small space living can look so stylish and so good. Another foldable find in this collection is also this red side table, which has so much personality. This one folds so you can carry it on your shoulder. I mean, kudos to the designer, honestly. This little red side table has so much character. It's tiny, lightweight, and the kind of piece you'll probably move around your home every few weeks depending on where you need it. It works next to a bed, a sofa, or even as a tiny nightstand. And because it's so compact, you can move it around wherever you need an extra surface. Loving it so much. Now, this next piece is actually not available in the US IKEA stores yet. It's basically a poof that unfolds into a mattress, and this is exactly the type of multifunctional furniture I wish IKEA would make more of. Imagine someone staying over. Instead of dragging out an air mattress from the closet, you just unfold your poof. I mean, just a genius. Dorm room? Perfect. Tiny apartment? Perfect. Kids room? Also perfect. This is such a smart piece. It's comfy, it looks good, it's so easy to unfold, and I don't even live in a small space, but I'm getting this ASAP. Not to mention this back cushion, which is also apart from this collection. This back cushion is actually made to go on top of your poof, and it literally transforms it into a little sofa moment when the mattress is folded and a headboard when you use it as a bed. I just love this cushion so much. It looks so cool, and by adding it on your mattress, you suddenly have a cozy place to sit, relax, study, or even have friends over. Next up, we have this hanging storage that's so simple but so practical. I honestly think this one's made out of that material used for making the IKEA bags, and that one is just so durable. It holds up so well, and since dorm closets are not exactly known for being spacious, adding vertical storage like this makes a huge difference. I just love the design altogether. It's a backpack that you can add in your closet to make shelves. It's easy to carry around, just a simple product that makes everyday life easier. And speaking of organizers, another amazing new organizer from this collection is also this hanging door storage. This is such a smart way to create extra storage space without taking up any floor space. This one easily attaches to the top and bottom of a door, turning an unused surface into a practical storage solution. This one has hooks at the top for hanging bags, jackets, or accessories, plus different compartments at the bottom for shoes, hats, books, any gear you might have, and other smaller things. I love solutions like this for dorm rooms because when you have limited space, you really have to start thinking vertically, and sometimes the best storage opportunities are actually hidden in places you normally wouldn't even consider using. Another one for doors is also this wooden version made from pine. This one feels much warmer and more intentional than your typical over-the-door hook. Instead of looking like a temporary dorm accessory, this one almost looks like a retro find, and I love it so much. It's perfect for hanging jackets, bags, headphones, or just tomorrow's outfits, and it's another great example of making use of vertical space. Next up is this pine mirror. Now IKEA packed this one with so many clever features. First, along the sides there are grooves where you can slide in photos, postcards, or reminder notes to make it feel a bit more personal. On the back there are hooks for sweaters, tote bags, or other lightweight essentials. And my favorite part, you can actually adjust the height of the mirror so it works for just about anyone. It's exactly the kind of clever space-saving design I'd expect from a collection made for small rooms. And if you don't have a room for full-length mirror, no worries, because IKEA also released a smaller version too. This one follows the same design language with the same cute features for sliding photos and postcards, which is just super cute. This would really look great above a dresser, a tiny entryway, or even hung above the desk as a part of a little getting ready station. Now next up we have this shopping bag with wheels, and this bag is just such a smart IKEA find that I can't wait to get for myself. I mean, it can be used for so many different things, whether you're hauling groceries, transferring laundry, or moving things around campus. Even for camping and picnics, this spacious bag rolls on 4 sturdy wheels, so you don't really have to carry everything yourself. It also has backpack straps and closes at the top, so nothing falls out while you're on the move. It's definitely one of those practical products that makes everyday life just a little bit easier, and I love it so much. And we're finishing off with 2 decor pieces. First is this bright red bookend, and honestly this one just makes me so happy. I would love to have it for my home. It's simple, but it adds a fun pop of color to a room without trying too hard. This design is unlike anything I've ever seen. It's so unique, plus it has handles on both sides for easy transfer. And finally, we have this jute plant pot. At first, this one looks just like a cute little jute planter, but IKEA added a really clever detail. This one actually has a handle and a hidden sock-like cover that you can roll out to protect your plant when you're moving it around. And when you don't need it, you can simply just roll the cover back down and just tuck it away inside the pot. I love when IKEA adds these little unexpected features that make everyday products more practical. It's a small detail, but it's exactly the kind of smart design that makes this collection so interesting. And that's a wrap for today. I mean, overall, this collection looks spot on. These products are so affordable, so functional, and look so beautiful and so designer. I want all of them for my home. What about you? Let me know if you like this collection as much as I do, and which product was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell, allowing all notifications, because that's a great way of being the first one to get my new video whenever I post. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! I'm training these two on the floor. Here's Mars and here's Zara. And last week there was no video since, guys, Leto turned 1 year. It was 1 year and I just can't believe it. And I was really occupied with everything with organizing the birthday party. We had such a beautiful birthday party in our backyard with our closest friends and family. But it was so many people and I cooked for everyone. I mean, it was so beautiful. And Lado was so happy. He loves being surrounded by people. So yeah, here's something we got. I mean, how cute is this? How cute is this? I mean, guys, can you believe it? That Leto is 1 year. That 1 year has passed since I gave birth to him. Time passes so fast and I'm getting emotional right now. But yeah, time passes so fast. Right, Zara? And it will be Zara's birthday in a week. And we'll celebrate it also. So, oh, Zara. And my Marcy boy couldn't care less. Right, Zara? Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you.
Say I love you, Zara. Say I love you.
Bye-bye.